Hello, today in this video I'll be showing my project on toll building design in ETAP software as part of an online course conducted by Skyfi Labs. So in this project, this is a 23-story building, and it's of irregular shape, as you can see that up till the 8th floor it is like completely uh, a rectangle uh, with a total of 16 columns on all sides. Then after that onwards, the shape changes till the the shape of the building changes till the 14th floor. Then after that again it changes till from 19th floor, again it's different up till the 23rd floor. This is the plan of the 19th story. So in this first we had drawn the grid lines for 6 meter intervals in both x and y directions, and then we defined the materials which were used, such as M40 and HYSD 415 and mild 250 steel. Then in the sectional properties we define the three types of column sections, which is 500, 550, 600, and for beams. So also we had selected 500, 550, and 600 sections, these three. Then we used a procedure in which we added all these three beams into single beams called using auto select. And with the use of that is that at last, after completing the design, the software itself will run through an iterative process and will decide the best possible cross section for the building. So the same thing was applied to the columns. These three columns were synced into one. After defining these both, we considered three load cases and three load patterns, which were lead, live, and wind. And the load cases were these three itself, and in the load combinations, we had these many combinations which are based on the IS code. After that, we drew the structure, and for drawing the structure we made use of this one story, old story, similar stories option. And similar stories was more mainly used because these floors up to the 8th floor were considered as one, and taking the 8th story as the master story and so on, dividing it into 4 sections. And based on that we did the drawing, and then we drew the slabs. The slabs were drawn. Then we drew the autocladding. Drawing autocladding was applied, and then for the autocladding the load was applied on the exterior beams of all the plans or all the stories. After the loads were assigned and these procedures were run, and the dead load, live load also varied. So we applied the dead load and live load on the slabs individually. Then we went on to do the analysis with the set load cases to run were dead, live, model, and wind, and the analysis was carried out. Then after the analysis we can see the the deformed shape of the building. The deformed shape of the building can be seen here, and the displacement values can be seen by hovering the mouse over it. Then the other stress diagrams such as BMD, SFD can be generated from here. Then the design was carried out using IS code as the preference, and then the design was continued as an iterative process, and finally it was continued till all members passed the test. And finally the summary report can be viewed from here. And load up. Yes, this is a summary report of the entire project. And after the design is carried out, we can also see the sections, the reinforcement detailing, etc. can also be seen. Here I'll be just showing the moment diagram of this floor. See, like that moment diagrams can be generated. So this is the overall project on tall buildings. Thank you.